This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Mac OS version and backing up critical files. This prevents data loss if you change system settings. Once done, decide whether you need a temporary or permanent keyboard disable. That choice dictates the method. For a quick, reversible approach, we'll use accessibility and third-party utilities. For permanent hardware disable, plan for disassembly or professional service. Start system settings now, then follow to accessibility or download the Helper app. Do not skip the backup. It's your safety net. Next, focus on the software path because it's safer and reversible. Open System Settings, go to Accessibility, and check Ignore built-in keyboard when an external one is connected. This is the fastest method. If you need more control, install Carabiner Elements, grant input monitoring and accessibility permissions, and create a complex modification that blocks all key codes from the built-in device. Once configured, connect and test your external keyboard. Make sure the internal keys stay inert while external input works. To finish, reboot and confirm the disablement persists. Settings sometimes reset after updates. If the internal keyboard still responds, open Security and Privacy and revoke, then re-grant permissions to the Helper app. This often resolves permission conflicts. If software methods fail or you require permanent disablement, stop and contact Apple or an authorized repair shop. Hardware intervention avoids voiding warranty. Quick troubleshooting tip. If key input returns, try Safe Mode to isolate Mac OS level extensions before altering hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.